Watch this before you give your dog Benadryl. I'm Dr. Sylvalyn Hammond, and this is part 2 on my series of over-the-counter medications that people can give their pets. Today's topic, Benadryl. Diphenhydramine, which is the active ingredient in Benadryl, can be safe and useful when it's given at the proper dose, which is about 1 milligram per pound of body weight. So for example, a 25-pound dog would need 25 milligrams of Benadryl or diphenhydramine in order for it to be effective. But safe doesn't mean that it's the correct medication for every situation, and it's often used incorrectly. Benadryl works best for acute allergic reactions, things like insect stings, contact dermatitis, or even mild allergic reactions secondary to vaccines or other medications. What surprises most pet parents is that Benadryl is much less helpful for the types of allergies we more commonly see in dogs and cats, which are typically chronic environmental allergies from things like pollen, dust, or even grass. Pet parents also tend to reach for Benadryl to help with car sickness or even provide sedation for road trips, but it's really not the most effective or beneficial treatment for those needs. And while most people think that diphenhydramine is very safe, it can have side effects like sleepiness, dry mouth, urinary retention, and even hyperactivity in some pets. One other really important thing people need to realize about Benadryl or diphenhydramine is that it's often available as a combination product, meaning that sometimes it comes in combination with decongestants or cough suppressants, which can be toxic for dogs and cats. Pets should only ever receive plain diphenhydramine with no other ingredients. So bottom line, Benadryl can be helpful for acute allergic reactions, but it's not the best choice for chronic itchiness or reliable sedation. And as always, check with your veterinarian before administering any medication. Hope you found this helpful. Follow for part 3 of this over-the-counter medications for pets series.